This is an updated morning routine, and I'm going to show you my skincare routine. First, I just take your reusable cotton round, micellar water. This is Kroger brand because they were all out, but normally I get the Garnier. I'm a little sunburnt. Now I'm gonna brush my teeth. Okay, now I'm actually gonna take you to my room where I have my skincare fridge to finish my skincare routine. Look how cute that is. After I do the micellar water, I ice roll my face. You can get these just about anywhere, but Amazon is where I got this one. I'll have it linked down below. And this just wakes me up, 2 depuffs my face, I think. It's also nice, like if you wake up and you have a pimple, or if you mess with your face and like pick at it, to make this not swell up as much. Or in my case right now, I'm a little sunburnt, so it feels great. But I do this right after I do the micellar water, so I get my face cleansed first, just so this doesn't have like a lot of bacteria on it. And then I do this. I don't wash my face with a cleanser in the morning, because if I wash morning and night, I find that is too much for my skin and will actually cause more breakouts. It's taken me many, many years to find my perfect curated skincare routine. I started going to the dermatologist when I was a freshman in high school because I had really bad acne. Like, to me, it was really bad, but I was just, really insecure about it. I know people have way worse scenarios because I never got to the point where I was on Accutane or anything. So I have prescribed ointments and creams and stuff from the dermatologist, like clindamycin and tretinoin, that I still use to this day, and I'm a junior in college now. But it took me so many years to figure out what works for my skin to keep it, for the most part, clear. Every once in a while I'll get a pimple or two, but that's about it nowadays, which I'm very thankful for. But I work really hard on my skin. Now I'm gonna get into my skincare fridge and pull these out. I'm just gonna do a little under eye mask. I used to have like a whole container of these to do them every morning, but I ran out, so I need to buy some more on Amazon. Whoa, this one's really slimy. While these sit on my eyes for a little bit longer, I'm gonna take my vitamins. So currently we've got a lot going on. We have these 2 gummy vitamins, which are for gut health and metabolism. Then we've got one that's iron, which this one isn't a great idea because I haven't talked to a doctor yet, but I do really think I'm iron deficient or anemic because I nearly pass out every time I stand up. I bruise really easily and I have really weak nails. So I'm taking that to see if that helps with any of the issues. Then zinc for immunity, biotin for hair, skin, and nails, and an allergy pill. So we're taking all those with my cute glass Starbucks cup that I still have to get the sticky sticker off. That makes me so mad. But we're gonna take these. These taste good. That's dangerous. They taste like a fruit roll-up. It's not good because I want to eat the whole thing. Currently, I've been using this Bliss pre and postbiotic barrier aid. So it's a toner that basically just like helps with your moisture barrier. And put that on. In the morning, I keep my skincare really simple because you just woke up from cleaning your face and doing an extensive skincare routine last night. So it's not getting really dirty over the night. I just need to get my tretinoin off because that'll make your skin sensitive in the sun. I let each skincare product dry in between before I put the next one on. Next, I'm going to take this Laneige moisturizer, and I really like this stuff. I broke it, so to get this out, weird. 3 pumps. It's like a perfect light moisturizer for daytime and leaves my skin with like a glow on top. Super Goop Unseen Sunscreen on my face and neck. Vaseline. And my morning skincare routine is done.
Another vlog. I'm heading out right now to go to a Red Sox game.
I typically just drink my coffee and watch YouTube videos until I need to go to class. But in this instance, I don't have class until 12:30, so I'm gonna take an online exam here in a few minutes once I finish my coffee. Okay, here's how you get an A on your online exam. So I've got this online exam. I have 40 questions, but I have a time limit of 50 minutes, and you cannot go back to the questions. So you're gonna open up a tab for every single PowerPoint that will be on the exam. Okay, wait, are these the same? No. And you use Command F and search a keyword of the question and find your answer. Now I know that might have been self-explanatory, but I feel like I'm doing something. Like I am on top of the world killing my online exams when I can find the exact answer. And every single PowerPoint, so quick and efficient. I feel like I'm doing something. I'm gonna make a smoothie for breakfast / lunch. It's 10:15, so brunch time before my first class. I'm gonna make a smoothie. It's gonna be a bunch of random stuff in there. Pretty typical of me. I have a smoothie or a smoothie bowl every single day, I think. I love smoothies. So first we're gonna start with our frozen fruit. I'm just gonna be using this blend of frozen fruit that I got from Whole Foods. It has strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries in it. So we're gonna do a cup of this, kind of like a heaping cup of this. Then I'm gonna add in a scoop of this greens smoothie powder. It's basically just a berries and cream greens powder, and I think you can do it as a juice or just like add it into your smoothies. This helps with like gut health, metabolism, improves energy, less bloating, stuff like that. I don't know if I want to do a full scoop because I don't want to ruin the berry flavor that's already in there. Maybe just like a little bit over half a scoop. I'm gonna add in the slightest amount of this vanilla protein powder because it has such a potent taste. It ruins basically everything I use it with because I don't like the flavor of this one. So I have to literally put the smallest amount. Like this will literally ruin the smoothie. It's weird. I don't know, I just must have gotten a bad one because all of my younger brother's protein powders taste amazing, especially the Fruity Pebbles one. So I just must have gotten a bad I don't know. It's just vanilla. You'd think it wouldn't be terrible. Add a little bit of protein powder. Why is there always leaf blowers outside? There's no leaves on the ground. We don't need to blow the leaves. Oh my gosh. So I might be able to hear the leaf blower guy or whatever he's doing. But now I'm gonna add some oat milk to it. I'll probably have to add more. Okay, it doesn't look aesthetic, but I made it. I just checked the weather and it's 70 degrees and sunny. UV index is 6. I wish I could lay out right now. But I have to go to class soon, so I need to pick out an outfit. It needs to be something kind of athletic because I think I'm gonna go to the student center after and practice kicks for upcoming DCC clinic and skills for UKDT tryouts. So, but I think I could wear, I haven't shaved my legs, but I don't really care. So I'm probably gonna wear shorts and just have my leg hair like shine in the sun. Let's wear this shirt, this Lululemon sports bra, these Lulu shorts. My mom got me this Tree Hut vitamin C body butter for Easter. It smells so good. It's supposed to like reveal brighter looking skin because it's vitamin C. Look how satisfying this is. Like the whole thing bounces. It's amazing. I moisturize my entire body every morning and night. My friends think I'm crazy, but I just have to. I have to. So I'm putting this on before I put my shirt on. And then I have to go to my only class of the day. I'm kind of nervous to go because we're starting a group project and that just like makes me anxious to like work with other people in my class that I don't even know. And it's like a grad school, like a graduate level class. So there's only like 2 of us that are undergrad. So I also just get nervous in there that I'm like not as smart as everyone else because they're all in grad school. So obviously they're smarter than me and older than me. So that makes me nervous as well. But it's okay. They're all really nice. They're just very wise. They talk and like, I feel like I'm listening to a poet speak, but it's okay. Okay. I'm gonna be done putting this everywhere and put this shirt on. Is there something on this? Oh no. I'm gonna put on my favorite Nike shoes that really need cleaned. I also want another pair, the all white ones. I'm gonna put in this big claw clip and I'm gonna show you how because I found this on Pinterest and I don't know if everyone does this. It's the perfect way to put your hair in a claw clip. Maybe everyone knows this already, but if you don't, you're gonna take your hair. So you're gonna wrap it around your finger and keep pulling it and twisting it like a French twist. My layers are gonna poke out. Then you're gonna take your claw clip and put it around. Like that. And it's the perfect, cute way to do your hair in a claw clip. And you can fix it and do whatever you want, pull pieces out. I'm packing up my backpack. I always have my academic planner in there, my daily personal planner, my notebooks for classes, and my MacBook. So I always have that packed. And I'm also gonna pack my beautiful glass Starbucks water bottle that my friend Mia got me. I'll probably wear, I'm gonna wear my Lululemon fanny pack because it has my student ID and keys in there and I need my student ID to get into the student center. So I'll be wearing that and that also has my earbuds. Okay, my shirt is huge, so looks like a dress, but I am going to class. So this basically concludes my everyday morning routine. Don't look at that mess. I typically do this every single morning, to be honest. I have a really set routine. Have a good rest of your day if you're watching this in the morning, and thank you for watching. Okay, I look like a tourist, but that's okay. Who am I trying to impress?